Hi guys, as we know that journal is the first book that we maintain when it comes to maintaining books of accounts. That's why this journal book is also known as prime book. Prime यानी first. Now, I must have discussed this point in the class at least 1,000 times by now. So sir, what is the new thing that we are discussing? See, mind it, when I say journal book is the first book, it is a prime book, it is the first book. Every time we have in our mind that journal यानी एक ही book. और यहां पे कहानी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है. सर ट्विस्ट है? हाँ भाई ट्विस्ट है. As the business will keep on expanding, business will keep on growing, number of financial transactions that will take place every single day will also keep on increasing. And these financial transactions must be recorded on day-to-day basis only in journal book. So if financial transactions will keep on increasing, it may not be possible for one accountant to record all those financial transactions on to a day-to-day basis in one book, journal book. Not because he is not capable, but because of the sheer number. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बड़ा हो गया, आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का डेली 200, 300, 400, 500 financial transactions are taking place, then how it will be possible for one person to record all of them? And it has to be recorded on the same day. आज का कल, कल का परसों, परसों का नरसों, तो सिस्टम होने वाला नहीं है. So what do you do? You will go for specialization. No, you will give more than one person as an accountant. उसमें क्या है सर, एक से काम नहीं होता, तो हम ज्यादा लोग रखेंगे. हमारे पास तो भी बिजनेस है, we are growing, so we will put not one accountant but more than one accountant. सिर्फ more than one accountant रख के मैटर सॉल्व होने वाला नहीं है. If we are putting more than one person, that means we are maintaining more than one book, which is journal book. It means we are dividing journal book into various parts. Ajay, is it compulsory to divide the journal book into various parts? No. Unless and until we come across a situation where it is impossible to record all the financial transactions on day-to-day basis in one book, we will not think about dividing journal book into various parts. We will divide journal book into various parts only and only when it becomes impossible to record all the financial transactions on day-to-day basis in one book. Right? So can I say when we are dividing journal book into various parts, it is ultimately each part is also a journal book only, prime book only? Yes. हमने जर्नल को अलग अलग बुक्स में डिवाइड कर दिया फॉर कन्वीनियंस पर्पस, फॉर सिस्टमैटिक, वेरी सिस्टमैटिकली वी आर डिवाइडिंग. बट है अल्टीमेटली वो क्या, जर्नल बुक, बिकॉज इसी में हम सबसे पहले ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. So now we are talking about division of journal book, prime book. First is known as purchase book. You know it very well. Purchase day book and purchase journal. In this particular book, we'll be recording only and only what? Credit purchases of goods. We'll be recording only and only what? Credit purchases of goods. We'll be recording only and only what? Credit purchases of goods. Nothing else will be recorded here. Okay. Sales book, it is also called sales day book, it is called sales journal. We will be recording only credit sales of goods. Be careful, when I say credit purchase of goods and credit sale of goods, no cash transaction will ever be recorded and no asset transaction will be ever recorded. It is credit and goods, both are important. Sales return book, sales return day book, sales return journal. सर इसमें हम क्या रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? यू विल शाउट इमीडिएटली जैसे आप सेल्स रिटर्न देखेंगे एंड यू विल गेट एक्साइटेड ऑल्सो विद दैट. सर ऑल सेल्स रिटर्न ऑफ गुड्स. नो मुन्ना, इट इज सेल्स रिटर्न ऑफ गुड्स ओनली आउट ऑफ क्रेडिट सेल्स. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव सोल्ड गुड्स ऑन कैश बेसिस, स्टार्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग. You sold goods, you got cash. Customer came because they were defective. You could not give the replacement. So it's a sales return. So you'll have to return the cash. So it becomes a cash transaction. और यहाँ पे cash वाला कोई transaction record होने वाला नहीं है. That's why in sales return day book, in sales return book, in sales return journal, you will be recording sales return of goods, but only out of credit sales. And exactly same thing in case of purchase return book, purchase return day book, purchase return journal, all purchase return of goods out of credit purchases will be recorded. Am I very loud and clear? Am I very loud and clear about what I'm saying? Now, for you, this is a new chapter, different chapter called subsidiary books. So why this purchase book, purchase return book, sales return book is called subsidiary book? Because it's a substitute to one journal. I will never ever maintain these books unless I reach a situation where I will not be in a position to record all the financial transactions on day-to-day basis in one. So if someone asks you subsidiary book journal है कि ledger है, तो तुम क्या जवाब दोगे? नहीं, subsidiary book है ना, वो journal थोड़ी है, वो ledger थोड़ी है. चल फुट, subsidiary book is also journal. It is called subsidiary, यानी substitute of one journal only when we reach this stage. Am I very loud and clear? Fine. Is business में सिर्फ क्रेडिट पे धंधा करोगे क्या? हाँ, only credit purchases, only credit sales? नहीं, cash भी तो होगा ना. So there will be numerous cash transactions, and cash means always involving bank. Correct? So these transactions cannot be recorded in purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. So that will be covered up in a separate book called cash book. So in cash book, we are not talking about goods, we are not talking about assets, we are not talking about expenses, we are not talking about income. We are not talking about anything specific. What we have to understand is receipt of cash, payment of cash. Receipt of cash, payment of cash. Money deposited in bank, money paid from bank will be taken care in cash book. Lastly, there would be certain transactions which cannot be recorded in purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book and cash book also. Sir, ऐसे कौन से transactions होंगे? आप तो कुछ भी बोलते हो सर. ऐसा तो कोई ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होगा. ये हंसा बहन होगा. प्रफुल्ल को जाके पूछ. If you buy asset on credit basis, can you record it in cash book? नहीं. Hey, Praful, can you record it? No, you cannot record it in cash book because it's not a cash transaction. अरे तो परचेज बुक में तो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं ना प्रफुल्ल? No, in purchase book also you cannot record it. So understand, is it a financial transaction of our business? Yes. But can you record it in purchase book? No. Can you record it in cash book? No. Is it financial transaction of our business? Yes. Where you will record? In journal proper. So journal proper may we will be recording all those transactions which cannot be recorded anywhere else. So all remaining financial transactions will be recorded in journal proper. Is that right? What you say, Hansa Ben? Hansa Ben says, हाँ प्रफुल्ल को पूछो ना. तो प्रफुल्ल says, Hansa, ओ हंसा, मैंने बोला ना तुमको हम बुक्स को ऐसे ही मेंटेन करें. See you with more fun. See you with more logic very soon. Bye.